more from when the world was mostly in 4.3. Let's put a bit of context in some of these old videos I found. In 2009, everyone was still using 8-bit, or the open source controllers were still 8-bit. The first 32-bit controller, the Copter Control, was out next year in 2010. And at the end of the year, while we were testing this airframe, the Skywalker 1680 came out. Perhaps the first semi-serious large high-wing platform that's since gone on to many iterations used by people all around the world for commercial mapping projects. Looks like we were on the right track though. We ducked back into playing with flying wings, and there was one called the Firecracker, which was great. I don't think I've got any video of that, but it lives on in the Open Pilot ground control station as one of the models.
It's all a bit windy and it's all bodged together, but this pod, that'll be for the radio. You see the tail comes out there, then the centre section for all the gear that you need, and obviously the wings standing alone on themselves. So it's a three bits. The pod for the RC gear, stroke autopilot, then all your camera gear like in there, and then that pulling out there.
Don't swear, Robert.
What's that? What's the wingspan again? It's 1.175, yeah. Fantastic. So he's hoping for 1 kilo for 1 hour with it. We're quite excited about this. Yeah. Well, obviously we need a little bit of work on it yet, but it looks the right shape, doesn't it? It does, doesn't it?